Okay, we're about to learn the character for the number 8 in Chinese, which is the first time that we're using the pinyin final A. So that means we have to set the scene. What's going to be our place that represents A? This is the 8th of 13 lessons, so we're well on our way to setting all of our scenes. And the letter A, of course, has a lot of English representations. There's a bunch of names like Anna or Alan, so perhaps you knew somebody named Anna growing up and you spent a lot of time in her house. Simple enough, easy. Perhaps you knew somebody from Australia, and of course it was either that you spent time in Australia, or perhaps you had an Australian workmate who you could imagine that workplace. Of course, if you are Australian, that's probably a bit too broad. Now, if you were to go, but maybe you're Australian, but you knew somebody from Argentina. So you could go with the place that you associate with the person from Argentina. And then, of course, as always, we have a number of options in terms of English words that may bring to mind some kind of place. So, for example, we have abroad. Very first thing right there. The first apartment I lived in when I moved abroad. I remember it very well. It was in Beijing. And, you know, I can picture myself in there with no problem. And there's, of course, a bunch of memories there. It's an ideal type of set. I have a lot of memories of, well, sort of fake memories of movies I shot in that particular apartment. So regardless of what you choose, once you make the choice, take note of it in your set's Anki deck and move on to the next video.